Springtime's right around the corner, and you know that means it's time to start getting your gardens and your flower beds ready for the planting season. Fortunately, I'm excited to say that this year I was gifted this raised garden planter to do an honest review. It's going to be an awesome addition to my garden. I have been using raised beds for about 5 or 6 years now, and I like it way more than having to cut rows with a tractor or a tiller, things like that. It helps you keep everything contained. You're not losing all your soil and nutrients from your compost and things like that, getting washed out in your standard garden rows like I used to. If you're getting older and have back or knee problems or just aren't good at getting down low to the ground, these raised beds are a lifesaver. At the end of the day, it just makes accessing all your plants and vegetables way easier. You can get a little chair and sit beside it and do all your gardening without having to deal with the back pain of staying bent over. It does require assembly. Out of the box though, everything is really well organized. The instructions are super easy to follow. There's not a lot of steps, but once you get going, it's really repetitious and easy to put together. The materials are really high quality. It's going to be good for any environment. The substrate of the metal is a 0.6 millimeter thick substrate of galvanized metal. It has a powder coating on both sides of it, which is like a paint, but it's just way more durable than your standard paint, so you won't have to worry about getting scratched or rusted or anything like that. It also has these ribs that go at the bottom and the top that help to keep its form. If they weren't there and you filled it up with dirt, a lot of times you'll tend to have a blowout, but these guys thought of everything, so you don't have to worry about that. And it has a little strip, like a weather stripping, that goes around the edge of the top so that you can't cut or damage yourself or any of your hoses or things like that on top of it, which it really wasn't sharp to begin with, but that little bit of extra cushion wouldn't hurt, I don't guess. It's really lightweight once it's all together and easy to move. One of my favorite features, which I'm not sure if you can see there, is that it's a direct to contact bottom. That means when you're watering your plants and stuff, it'll drain the water out faster so that you don't have to worry about root rot, and it just helps promote healthy root systems and a healthy plant. You can see that all these metal screw heads here are showing. You don't have to worry about that. It's all galvanized hardware. It's all made to be outside. I'm really impressed with the finish on this thing. It just looks a lot better than some of the old thrown together raised beds that I have. Some of my flower beds that need to be redone, I'm really considering doing them throughout the yard just because it adds a more complete aesthetic to your bedding. Like I said, I'm ready to fill this guy up with some dirt, put some seeds in it, and see what all I can get out of it this year. Super excited. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.